In this scenario, I will show how SharePoint's forms, workflows, and business intelligence can be used together. This is a portal site giving links to HR processes. Below this are some key performance indicators. These are linked to budget requests. In a real-life situation, you're unlikely to want these figures on a HR portal page, but a team manager might want to have these sort of indicators on their view of a team page, so that he or she can see what money they have left. I've just put them on the same page to keep the demo simple. At the moment, both these indicators are green. Let's say that I'm an employee wanting to reserve some budget for an event, create a product, or do some marketing. I'll click on the budget request form. Here I get a simple InfoPath form to fill out. The form knows who I am and has populated some of the fields from a list of dummy data. I'll quickly fill out the rest of the form. I'll be ridiculous and say I want a lot of money. It's not business critical, and for the sake of the demo, I'll pick myself as the manager. When I click the Submit button, the form is sent via email to the selected manager. It would be possible to send this to SharePoint and have the form linked to a workflow so that you can plan for eventualities such as the manager being on holiday, and also to track the approval process. As the manager, I've just received this form. I can see a preview in Outlook, or I can click to open the form. When I open the form, I see a different view. This is because the form was designed with multiple views, each of which will open at the appropriate stage of the process. As a manager, I have the option to propose a new amount and to make comments. The form is now being sent to a SharePoint library for the next stage of the process. I can go to the document library that stores all of these files. I can open up the form again if I want to review the details, but now everything is read-only. This means that people can't go in there and change the details or the amounts after the form has been approved. If I refresh my portal, the key performance indicators will refresh. The first indicator has gone red because the team members have requested more than the suggested amount of money. But the indicator for the approved amount is still green. So SharePoint's inbuilt business intelligence monitoring can be used to track the status and results of your processes. In a similar way, you can use dashboarding capabilities to get quick summaries of the number of workflow tasks that are still to be completed, the number of workflows which are in progress, the time your processes are taking, and so on. A range of SharePoint features can be used together to give a rich solution for a common business task.